This 2026 Grand Design Momentum 17 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum 17 MAV is 5,518 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.